Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question for you from the topic of polynomial function and end behavior. Let's solve it together. Consider the function cf of x equals negative 2 times x to the power of 7 plus 4 times x squared minus 20. Which choice best describes the end behavior of c? First, let's recall that the end behavior of a polynomial function is influenced primarily by the term with highest degree, which is in this case negative 2 times x to the power of 7. Now let's understand that how the leading term, negative 2x to the power of 7, dictates the behavior as x approaches positive infinity and negative infinity. So negative 2 times x to the power of 7. As x approaches the positive, I'll just put positive for the x to the power of 7. So this is turns into positive. Negative times positive is negative. And for this, and as x approaches the negative to the power of 7, so this is negative. Negative times negative is positive since the exponent is an odd number. So it's positive. So as x approaches the positive infinity, the function c approaches the negative infinity. And as x approaches the negative infinity, the function c approaches the positive infinity. So because of that, the correct answer is choice C for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.